guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for clicking this video. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Sanya. Hope you are doing well. So today we are going to make a silhouette painting. Here we go. I am using canvas sheet size 16 into 20 inches and also using oil colors here. I will use only 6 colors in this oil painting, that is cobalt blue, crimson lake, scarlet lake, lemon yellow, ivory black and last flake white hue. So today I am making silhouette painting. I hope you find this video easy and helpful. I always wanted to make this type of painting like silhouette painting and also with the oil colors. I also posted a video before of this silhouette painting, right? If you have seen that, it was theme of a tropical beach. It was done with the acrylic colors, but this time I have used the oil colors. I have already posted a video on the sunset painting. If you haven't seen that, link is in the description box and on the right side. And do subscribe to my channel. Isn't it amazing? Like, I just love capturing sunsets. Anyone here who loves sunsets? I am. Nature is also art of God, right? In today's busiest life, we just forget to look at our nature, how beautiful it is. I had talked earlier about the acrylic painting and the oil painting, that there have been differences about their drying time. The oil paints dry slowly and acrylic paints dry quickly. And one of the facts of the oil painting is that it gives the realistic style painting. You can see the difference now with the oil painting sunset and the previous one acrylic sunset. So now as you come this far, do like and comment to this video. Bye guys, see you in the next video.